On that time, I'm hearing the word called object, object, object. Can you let me? I hope guys, if people are having this question, can you let me show how the object look? Really, I want to see how the object look. Guys, let me give you one hint for you people. This entire rectangle shape, what you people are seeing, guys, this is called your object. What this rectangle shape, we call this object in the technical word. Let me make you people clear, guys. Guys, remember, in order to create the object, nothing but this rectangle shape. That's it. Now, guys, now the question stands here. How to create the object? Guys, in Java, objects are always and always are created by the one person called JVM. I hope guys this person you people are here. Java virtual machine. Guys, this person will be create the object, nothing but box. This rectangle box will be created. Now guys, let me make you people very clear guys. Let me show you people how to write the code guys. Okay, now guys, please try to understand. First of all guys, let me show you people how the general syntax of creating the object look like. Guys, assignment operator right hand side specifying the new keyword followed by the name of the class, opening closing the parenthesis, ending with the semicolon. Now guys, let me make you people a clear. Okay, now please try to understand. Assignment operator right hand side, if we specify the new keyword, if we specify the class name, can you tell me guys what is the class which I have to create it? Car. Now guys, if you want to create the object by following the general syntax, new keyword, class name, opening, closing the parenthesis, ending with the semicolon. Guys, please try to understand at the right hand side part what happen if we do like this, the following the general syntax. Guys, if we specify this new keyword, one person will be get activated, none other than guys called JVM. Now guys, after activating this person called JVM, the JVM will be coming to the picture and he'll be like, he's saying for the programmer, hey programmer, whatever the class you had specified, that is the class we created above, by looking this car class by the JVM guys, the JVM will be create the object which will be look like a rectangle box shape like this. I hope guys you are getting what is the behind the story which is happening. Guys, I'll repeat once more again. Assignment operator right hand side. New keyword. JVM will get activated. By looking this class called the car, the class which is specified, the JVM by looking this class, then it will create the object like the rectangle shape, which will be have the imaginary line in between. Guys, this entire object where the JVM will be created once you specify the new keyword. Guys, this will be created, coming to the memory part of the view, it will be created in the heap segment. I hope so guys, you people are getting the point. Guys, after creating the object, nothing but what? Nothing but guys, a rectangle shape like this by the JVM. Now guys, after creating the object, JVM, guys, the JVM will become inside the class. For what purpose? Guys, in order to searching the instance variable. What do you mean by the instance variable? Guys, please try to understand. Instance variable are the such a variable which are declared inside the class. This is the definition. Guys, please try to understand. You created the class called the car. Inside the class, name, cost, mileage. Guys, why do you think so? Inside the class, you are having a such a variable. All those variable guys are the instance variable. Now guys, JVM will come inside for what purpose? In order to search the instance variable. Right now, guys, name is the instance variable. If the JVM found the name is the instance variable, JVM will take this name, go to the object, inside the object, in the has part, it will allocate name. Now, guys, similarly, please try to understand. JVM will come back to the class. It come inside the class. Guys, JVM will come to the next line. Cost is the JVM found the cost. Guys, cost is the instance variable. Now, guys, JVM again found the instance variable. What will do? If you found the instance variable, JVM will be take away, come to the object, inside the has part, it will allocate the cost. Similarly, guys, again the JVM will come back to the program. Inside the class, coming to the next line, now guys, the JVM found the mileage. Mileage is the instance variable. Guys, if the JVM found the instance variable, it will take away. Now, guys, it will come to the object. Inside the object, it will allocate mileage in the has part. I hope so, guys, if you had got this point. Guys, this is how the each and every instance variable are allocated inside the object has part. I hope, guys, you had got it. Now, guys, the JVM will come back where he had gone. Again, he'll come back to the same place. Now, guys, assignment operator right hand side specifying the new keyword class name. It is the right hand side part is over. It indicates, guys, at the right hand side part, by specifying the new keyword class name, you are creating the object. That's it. You are creating the object. Now, guys, after creating the object, you know, coming to the left hand side, by seeing the general syntax, guys, you need to specify the reference variable. What do you mean the reference variable? Can you tell me, guys, definition of the variable, which is a use in order to store the data? And what do you mean by this reference variable? Guys, reference variable are such a variable which will be stored the address of an object. Guys, one thing I had forgot, guys, to say for you people. When you specify the new keyword, JV will get activated by looking the class name called the car. It will create the object in the heap segment. Along with, guys, remember, it will generate one address of the object. I am saying, that's not exactly, I am saying it may 1,000. Okay, now this is the point I had been forgot. Now, guys, reference variable means what? Guys, reference variable is such a variable which will be stored the address of an object. Guys, can you tell me where is the address of an object? Guys, if your eyes are pinpointing, here is the address of an object. This 1,000 address of an object, it will become and sit inside this C1, nothing but reference variable. Guys, immediately this C1 reference variable start pointing, okay, now pointing to my entire object. People are getting the point. Now, guys, after creating the object by following the general syntax, coming to the next line, what I have done, guys, nothing but coming to this line. Above you had created the object, okay, na? Specify the reference variable. After which, guys, reference variable dot operator start. Okay, na? Again, reference variable dot operator accelerate. Reference variable dot operator stop. Guys, why do you think so, guys? Why do you think so? What all these you people, guys? The people who are able to recognize this, start, accelerate, stop, all are these are the behavior of the car, which are there inside the class which you created. Guys, reference variable dot operator start, reference variable C1 dot operator a name, C1 dot cost, C1 dot mileage. So, what is the thing which is going on here? Guys, let me make you people understand. Now tell me guys, after creating the object by specifying the new keyword, object will be created in the heap segment, and this is how the entire object look like, which has the two part, has part and the does part. Guys, has part has the name, cost, mileage. Guys, if you clearly notice, does part has the start, accelerate, stop. Guys, if you clearly, guys, if you notice over here, all the properties and the behavior of your class, which has coming and sitting, occupying the respective places in the has part and the does part. Now, guys, please try to understand. If I want to call the start method, what do you mean by method? This is my start method. That is my accelerate another method. That is my stop another method. Guys, what I have done over here, I had created the method by specifying the name of the method. Remember one thing, guys. Creating the method is not enough. What? Creating the method is not enough. Guys, creating the method is not enough. You have to be called the method which you had created in Java. What you are saying, guys, let me make you people clear. Inside the class, you had created the method called start. With the body, one statement, print statement, you print the car is stopping. Now, guys, I need to call the method. How to call the method? Guys, remember, especially in the Java, to call the method. Now, guys, let me know where is the methods. Guys, it is in the object. Where has part or does part? It is in the does part. Now, guys, I hope you people are clearly able to see your methods are there in the does part within the object. In the does part, your all the methods are come and seated in the does part. Now, guys, can you tell me? Can you tell me? Please try to understand. If I want to call the any of the method, oh, guys, I want to call the start method. Where it is, guys? Object within the does part. It is inside the box. In the box, in the does part. Now, guys, if you want to call the start method, how to call the method, guys? By specifying the name of the method. Guys, if I want to call the method which I had created, by specifying the name of the method, guys, this is not the proper. How? If I simply say, guys, if I simply say start, open, closing parenthesis, which indicate, guys, I'm calling the method which I had created. Now, guys, especially in the Java, this is not enough to call the method because all the methods are came and sat inside the does part within the object. Now, guys, how to reach to the object, how to go inside the object, and how to take this start. Remember, guys. So, guys, if I want to call the method or if I want to access even though, guys, instance variable, how, guys, you people need to go with help of the one person. That person is nothing but, guys, reference variable. What is the name of the reference variable? C1. So, guys, I am saying here C1 dot first. C1. Here is the C1. What is the C1 reference variable? What is the reference variable? Storing this address. What is the address? 1000, which is a coming and sitting inside this C1. So C1 is a pointing to my entire object. Now, guys, please try to understand. If I want to go inside the object, how I can go? C1 reference variable. Okay, reference variable. Through this reference variable, I can reach here. But guys, my ultimate aim is to go inside the object. How? Remember, guys, C1 dot. If I specify this dot operator, which indicate, which helping me to go inside the object. After this, after going inside the object, guys, where I want to go? Has part or the does part, guys? That what has said right now. C1 dot going inside the object. Inside the object, I said start. What do you mean by this? Guys, calling the method by specifying the name of the method. Guys, this is how we are calling the method. How to call the method? You need to specify the name of the method. Specifying the name of the method is not enough. You want to go inside the object. How we can go? Guys, C1 reference variable, you will go here. You want to go inside with help of this dot operator. If we specify the dot operator, it means you want to go inside the object, guys. If you go inside the object, I can call the accelerate method. I can call the stop method. Now, guys, please try to understand. Similarly, if I want to call the accelerate method, I need to specify the name of the method with the reference variable dot operator. Similarly, guys, if you want to call the stop method, I need to specify the name of the method. Reference variable dot operator. I hope so, guys. You people are getting the point. Now, guys, I want to go and take the name is same thing. Reference variable, that is a C1 dot operator. It means, guys, reference variable C1, I will go here. I want to go inside dot operator. Guys, if I specify the dot operator, you will be reached inside. Now you can able to access the name, that is the property of the car. Similarly, guys, reference variable dot operator cost. Reference variable dot operator means go inside. I can take the cost. Similarly, guys, C1 dot. Here is the C1. If I dot operator, if I go inside, I will take the mileage. One thing, guys, at the last moment, please try to understand. You people had created the class called the car. Inside the car class, you specify these properties. Now, guys, after creating the object for the class, now, guys, do you people really able to see any name of the car? Do you people really see any cost of the car? Guys, do you people able to see any mileage of the car? Now, guys, to my this entire instance variable, I didn't specify the any value. Did I specify the any value? No values. Now, can you tell me, guys, for my name cost mileage, what the data will be allocated? Guys, I hope people are thinking like this. If I didn't specify the any values to my instance variable name cost mileage, Java will specify any default value now. Guys, if you are thinking in this way, absolutely correct, guys. If you didn't specify any values to your instance variable, name, cost, mileage, right now, guys, in my program, after creating the class, after creating the object, accessing the name, cost, mileage, I didn't specify any values. Guys, remember, by default in Java will be allocated value for this. For the name, guys, what is the default value will be allocated by the Java? What is the name? String name. It means, guys, string is nothing but the collection of the character enclosed within the double quote. It means, guys, the default value for the name is the string kind of the data. It means it will allocate the default value null. Then what is the default value for the cost? What is the data type, guys? That the data type is the int. It means Java will allocate the default value for the cost, that is 0. Default value. Now, guys, what is the default value for the mileage? If it didn't specify, the Java will be allocated. What is the default value for the mileage, guys? The default value it will allocate for the mileage based on the data type. What is the data type? Float. Guys, for the float, the default value the Java will allocate, that is 0.0. These are, guys, default values allocated by the Java. If in the case, if it didn't specify any default value, I hope so, guys. If people had got it, okay, na? How I had created the class, okay, na? By seeing this entire structure, I had created the class by specifying the class name. Inside the class, I had specified the properties, I had specified the behavior, where I handle using the data types, where I handle using creating the object. After which, guys, I hope people are able to getting. I had created the object. What do you mean by the object? Nothing but, guys, creating this rectangular shape. By whom it's created in the Java, guys? JVM will be created. So guys, we need to activate this. How? If we specify the new keyword, JVM will get activated by looking this class, by looking this car class. It will create the object in the heap segment like this. So again, the JVM will go inside the class. Whatever the instance variables are there, it will take and specify inside the object within the hash part. After which, guys, you need to specify the reference variable. What do you mean the reference variable? Reference variable is such a variable which will be stored the address of an object and start pointing to my entire object. Now, how to call the method, how to access the instance variable? It can be happened, guys, through with help of the reference variable. Guys, at the each moment, it may be a method, it may be instance variable. I had accessing with help of the reference variable, that is c1 dot c1 dot c1 dot. I hope, guys, you people had understood how to create the class and how to create the object with the memory point of the view. Now, guys, creating the class in the Java is the imaginary and creating the objects are real. Now, guys, here the question stand: Java will create the object for the class, or somebody else is the person is there who will be a create the object of the class. Now, guys, let me make you people clear. Java creating the class is the imaginary, objects are real. Mean, guys, to create the object in the Java, we require the a person called the JV. Guys, Java will not create the object of the class. In the Java, there is one person called the JV. I think, guys, you people are here this person called JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Guys, the Java virtual machine, which will be a create the object of the class, guys. So that's why the reason, guys, in the Java we require the JV, okay, in order to create the object of the class. Now, along with this thing, guys, along with this thing, please try to understand that the two segment will be a take place. What do you mean by that, guys? One is the heap segment, another one is the stack segment. What do you mean by this heap segment? What do you mean by this stack segment? Guys, at the my right hand side, if people are seeing the diagram, you people are seeing this one rectangle shape, guys, between which having one imaginary line. Guys, above this imaginary line, this is called the has part. Below this imaginary line, guys, this is called your does part. This is, guys, what we call the heap segment. Guys, remember, if we specify the new keyword, JVM will be a JVM will be created this rectangle shape which has one imaginary line, guys, which has the two part. One part which is the has part, another part which is the does part. Guys, within the heap segment, if we specify the new keyword, object will be created. Along with, guys, address of the object will be created. So where we are assuming, guys, the address of the object, it may having the 1000. Now, guys, what do you mean by this stack segment? Guys, remember, always remember, stack segment is a segment where reference variable will be allocated. What do you mean by reference variable? We know variables. Variables are used to store the data. Then what do you mean by this reference variable? Guys, the reference variable are a such a variable. Whatever this address people are seeing now, this address will be come and sit inside the reference variable. So, guys, reference variable is always related to the stack segment. New keyword, that is the JVM, which will create that object, which will create the object always within the heap segment. Guys, these are the two segment will be take place whenever we creating the classes. By specifying the name of the class, after which, guys, when you are creating the object, who will be create the object? Remember, guys, the JVM will be create the object for the class which you had been created. So, guys, remember, always remember, heap segment and the stack segment. Heap segment where the objects are created by specifying the new keyword. Stack segment is the segment, guys, where the reference variable will become and sit. What do you mean the reference variable? Which will be store the address of an object inside it. I hope so, guys. You people are my getting the point. Okay, guys, now, guys, in the last class, in the previous class, we had seen, guys, where we had created the class called a car class by specifying the name of the class. Guys, inside the class, what are the properties of the car and what are the behavior of the car? I had specified, guys, inside the class. Nothing but to handling through the data types, and the behaviors can be handling with the creating the method. Now, guys, in this entire scenario, in this slide, guys, what I have done, above you people are able to see this, guys, this entire thing which had marked in the red line, guys. Assignment operator, right hand side specifying the new keyword and along with specifying the name of the class. Guys, if I specify the new keyword, I have told you people, JVM will get activated by looking this class name called the car. It will be a create the object in the heap segment like this. After which, guys, I have told you people, whatever the instance variable. What do you mean by the instance variable? Instance variable are the such a variable which are declared inside the class. As I've told you, all the instance variable JVM will be take and specify inside the object. Within this has a part. I have so guys, if people are getting the point, I have told you people. Now, guys, after all the instance variable are allocated inside the object within the has part, now guys, after see right hand side, if I specify new a class name, the object will be created. Now, guys, after which coming to the left hand side, I need to specify the reference variable. Okay, now which store the address of an object and pointing to my entire object. Guys, this C1, the reference variable, I have told to people, it will allocated in the stack segment. So which will store this 1,000 and start pointing to my entire object. Now, guys, reference variable dot operator name assigning the name of the car by saying sports car within the double quote. Collection of the character enclosed within the double quote. Coming to the next line, reference variable that is a C1 dot operator cost assigning the 50,000. Guys, I hope so people are getting my point. At the each moment, I am assigning the value. Assignment will be always happen from right to the left. Guys, assignment operator sports car. So the sports car, the name of the car will come and sit inside the name. Can you tell me, guys? In the memory point of the view, where is the name? Object within the has part, guys, this is the name, so we are assigning the value. What is the value? Sports car. So this name of the car called the sports car will become and sit allocate their place within over here sports car. I hope so, guys, people are getting. Now, guys, assignment operator right hand side 50,000. So this 50,000 will become and sit in the cost. In the memory point of the view, guys, where is the cost? Object within the hash part. So this 50 will become and occupy the place over here. I hope so, guys. So people are getting the point. Now, guys, similarly, 7.8, that is my floating kind of the data where I am saying mileage. So the mileage that is 7.8, it will come and sit inside the mileage. Guys, this is how you are specifying the value and how the value internally in the memory point of the view, they are going and occupying the respective place. Guys, one more thing I have told you people, let me make you people quickly a recall. Guys, in the does part, which is the does part? This is the has part. Which is the does part, guys? This is your a does part. One thing remember, guys, does part is the such a part where all your built-in method or the method which you had created, all will become and occupy sit inside the does part. Remember, guys, this. Guys, right now I had created the method called the start, I had created the method called the accelerate, I had created the method called the stop. Guys, all this method they are coming and sitting inside the does part. Object only, but inside the does part. But guys, if you want to call the object, how to call the object? As I've told you people, creating the object is not enough. Creating the object is not enough. You have to be, guys, call the object. How to call the object, guys? You people have to specify the name of the method which you had been created. Right now, guys, if I want to call the object, I had specified the name of the method. What is the name of the method? Start. Guys, along with, I had specified the reference variable. So, reference variable dot operator. What it means? Guys, remember, reference variable. Okay, now I will go here. Dot operator, it means, guys, reference variable means if I'll go here, now guys, I want to go inside the object in the does part, then I want to take this, I want to call this a start method. How? So guys, with the help of the reference variable, that is a c1 dot operator. So guys, with the help of this, I am going to the object. If I want to go inside the object, dot operator. So if I dot operator, I will go inside the object within the does part, guys, then I will call this a start method. Similarly, guys, if I want to go inside the object in the does part, how? Through with help of the reference variable. What is the reference variable? C1. So guys, C1 dot operator, C1, I will go here. Now guys, I want to go inside dot operator. How you get inside? Now guys, I am calling this accelerate. Similarly, guys, stop method. Where is the stop method? Object within the does part. So, guys, how to go inside the object? Reference variable, that is C1, which is pointing to my entire object. So if I say C1, I will go here. I want to go inside the object within the does part. So guys, I will say the name of the method stop. So C1, I will come here. Dot operator means I will go inside. Where? To the stop method. The name of the method. Guys, this is how I'm calling the method, and this is how I'm assigning the specific value to my instance a variable. है ना?